Good morning and welcome to Wholesome Roots. Oh, I am tired after all the fun birthing yesterday. I don't know why it makes me so tired. Yeah, the puppies with Khaleesi. But anyway, we had a little bit of trouble getting Fancy to let the puppy, getting the little buckling to nurse. The buckling has lots of desire to nurse, but Fancy Girl doesn't really want to let him that much. She lets him do it a little bit, but not enough. So we've been forcing her to stand still every couple of hours and letting him get a good solid drink in. What are you doing?
Just unloading some hay.
Yum. I bet they're gonna like that. Oh, I hear Fancy calling for me. I'm gonna go check her. Did you find the baby?
Yes.
Aww. He's so sweet. Hello. Hello, sweet baby. How are you? Have you eaten recently? We want to try? Oh, he likes you. Oh, Liam, that's so sweet. Sweet baby.
So, in between all of this rain that we've been having, it's been very difficult to squeeze in time to work on the garden, but it just has to get done. So I've been out here for not too long working on making some beds that are plantable for all these tomato and pepper plants that we have, and yes, that has involved driving on the tractor. Just not this tractor. This is mine, you know, you guys have seen this one before, but problem it has doing garden tasks is that, one, it's got turf tires. They slip and slide all in that stuff. It is not four-wheel drive, so that is also where it's lacking, and I've got no front end loader. So what tractor have I been using? Well, let's go take a look. Here is my borrowed helper. Meet the Bobcat CT225. It is a nice little tractor. It's also considered a compact tractor like mine is. The only major difference is 3 extra horsepower. Mine's 24 horsepower. This one's 27. This one has 4-wheel drive. It has ag tires, which dig and grip the dirt and soil. It does not slip and slide as much as mine. We have a front end bucket loader, which is something that I would absolutely love to have on my tractor. I'll keep dreaming. It could happen. This tractor is making quick work of these garden beds that we've got to get planted soon. I'm very fortunate to have this connection to be able to use this tractor now that I need it. So I'm going to get back to work. I'm going to show you what I've been up to, and I'm going to continue using the Bobcat CT225. Now, can y'all see those gray clouds up there? Likely means that rain is approaching. I've been keeping an eye on the weather all day, and it's been coming from the northeast, no, excuse me, it has been coming from the northwest today. Our weather has, and it looks like I'm about to get some more rain. I will do what I can in that time. What I'm doing with the bucket, I'm making use of the bucket, the ag tires, and the four-wheel drive. The three major things that, well, you're just lacking. Case International. I love that tractor, by the way. Don't let this make you think I don't love my tractor, because I do. Anyway, I have been consolidating all of those stall muckings that were previously just spread out here, and pushing them all into one big line. Then I'm taking the bucket and trying my best to divide the muckings in half, and then where I can, I've been trying to flatten it down. Not too much, just enough to make it visibly flat. And then as I back out of the area, I'm putting the bucket down and trying to flatten the earth to get rid of my tire ruts. So this is where I've tried to flatten it out, and back there, there's still tire ruts. So I'm gonna do my best to get this done. Look how fast those clouds are approaching. So I'm gonna set the camera up briefly, and I might have to take it down before any rain comes. I did hear thunder just a few seconds ago, and the clouds are gathering. I think we're about to get some rain. I am going to get the camera out of here, and I might continue doing some work until I get rained out. But that was just a good example to show you guys what I've been working on with this tractor. I have not put them side by side yet. This is a good comparison right here for the obvious reasons. Pardon the plane for interrupting. Yeah, Bobcat has a front end loader. Mine does not. Bobcat tractor has ag tires. Mine does not. Four-wheel drive, Bobcat's got it. Mine doesn't. The transmission is different. I can mention that. Bobcat has a hydrostatic transmission, meaning what most people would call an automatic, forward, reverse, and you've got the range here, low, medium, and high. And essentially, the harder you push the pedal, the higher the gear the tractor is driving in. Mine is a manual, and it has gears, first, second, third, and reverse. And it also has a range, high, medium, and low. Sort of different, driving a manual versus hydrostatic, kind of like driving cars that are automatic versus manual, just a little bit different, but essentially they do the same thing. I love tractors. I hope you guys like hearing me talk about them. One day I'll have a front end loader, but until then I can just borrow the Bobcat CT225 and get the job done. Soon, tomatoes and peppers, very soon you will have your forever home. I am doing my best. The rain would just give me a chance. I keep having to stop because of the rain, and I don't know if you can tell, it is sprinkling, so I definitely need to get this camera out of the rain, and I will continue later. Underneath the milk stand, we've got an awesome big rat snake. Now we have blue skies to the northwest of us. A brief, extremely brief and very heavy downpour. I managed to get my tractor put away, but it was a little bit too late, and this one got stuck in the rain, and it's been rained on before. I just don't keep mine out in the rain. It stays in the barn all the time dry. This one stays dry when it can, but preferably I was hoping to get it under some cover, mostly so the seat would stay dry and everything else. But anyway, it got rained on. You see my garden project, kind of neat that it got rained on. Gives you a little idea of where there might be issues with puddling and whatnot. Everything's looking pretty good here. We should be able to plant right into this stuff. Let's see if it holds weight. Hey, it does. It's not so fragile that I'm gonna sink into it. Nice raised bed. And you see how fast the sun came back out after that? Things are about to heat up and be very muggy and humid here. I'm gonna switch over to evening chores, and just in case this is the end of the vlog, I'll go ahead and sign off. If it's not the end, we'll edit this out. I think. Pretty sure that's how that works. So let's get ready to do it. Get in front of the tractor. I'm gonna say thanks so much for watching. You know the drill. And we'll see you next time here at Wholesome Roots.